So you got an Amazon gift card, but you don't know how to redeem it. No worries, I'm going to show you how to redeem that gift card. You'll be shopping in no time. First off, it's important to note that there are two types of gift cards. There are physical gift cards and there are digital gift cards. Let's start with the physical. A physical gift card is one that you can actually touch. So if somebody hands you a gift card or if they gifted one to you in a box, it'll look something like this and you can actually physically touch it. If you flip to the back of that Amazon gift card, there is a scratch off, and once you scratch it off, you will see your claim code and it will look something like this. The claim code can be added to your account by visiting that website, amazon.com/redeem, or you can go into your app and I'll show you how in just a moment. Because the more common type of gift card are digital gift cards. These are often sent to you through email. Sometimes they're gifted through text. And if you happen to use one of those apps where you earn free gift cards, more on that later, then you might get the gift card code through the app. In either case, whether you have a physical or digital gift card, you will take that code that you get and you will put it into your Amazon account. So let me show you how to do that. If you're redeeming a digital gift card, sometimes you might run into a security code that you need to put in before you can even access that code. So let's start from there. When I click redeem, it's going to ask for the security code. This is something new that a lot of gift card apps and websites are doing to cut down on fraud. So you just copy your security code. So I'm going to redeem it. So right here, I'm going to enter my security code, activate, and my reward is now activated. And I can copy my claim code and put it right into Amazon. As you can see, I already have $20 in here. Listen, I always have gift cards. So click redeem. And now you just copy in that code, apply your balance. And it's instant. Now I have $30. Now, if you want to check your Amazon gift card balance, then you would go to your account. Then you click gift cards. And you can do this on mobile. It's the same menus. It just is a different layout. And once you click that, you will see a page that looks like this. And you will be able to see all of your gift card transactions. And you will be able to redeem another gift card if you like. Or you can reload a gift card that you already have. So all of your gift card options will be available on this page as well. And ironically, Fetch Rewards just sent me a $5 gift card for Amazon as I'm editing this. So let me show you real quick how to do what I just showed you. So you would go to your account and then you would scroll down to the payments section and you will see manage gift card balance. And there you will be able to either redeem another gift card, or if you scroll down, you will be able to see your balance activity. But I'm going to redeem a gift card, and you can paste that code right in there from wherever you copied it from, or you can manually type in the code. But either way, it's applied to your balance instantly and you can start shopping. Hopefully that information helped you out. And if it did, please do me a favor and let me and the algorithm know that you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And if you want to know more information about how to earn free gift cards, I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.